Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.